Well, remaining on the stage will be Riley Laredo. And as you've seen, we have been treated to such amazing shows of talent tonight, and that continues because, as we know, that Riley is a beautiful piano player. They also are an incredible singer as well. And they started studying under Miss Heather in 2021, and also a recent graduate as well from Missouri State in audio studies. So in their spare time, if Riley can find any, because they are very, very busy, they enjoy cuddling with their cats or taking a well-earned nap. Today, Riley will be joined on the piano by Tim Kostenuk, and they are singing The People That Walked in Darkness from Handel's Messiah.
Walk in
Thank you so much.